Hey boos, so you want to know how to round brush your hair and do it as quick as possible? Stay tuned. So again, one of the important things about styling your hair is the tools that you use. Obviously, I am going to use a salon quality blow dryer, and usually the higher the wattage, the stronger the blow dryer is. So mine is 1850 wattage, so it is extremely fast and it has a lot of heat. And it does have cool buttons, so I think for consumers, I think you guys can get up to 1750. So you guys want to look for, obviously, the higher the quality, a little bit more expensive it is, but it saves you so much time in blow drying your hair. Another important question I get asked all the time is, what is the difference between aluminum brush and a boar bristle? A boar bristle is really great for straightening really curly hair because you get that good pull into it. I like the aluminum because it's versatile. I can use it for curly or straight hair because these are really phenomenal for straight, because the titanium aluminum actually kind of heats up and it'll work like a curling iron. So you guys ready? Hey boos, so to cut down on time, I pre-wash my hair the night before, so that way when I wake up, it's a little bit damp. It's been in a bun, so it's a little bit kinky. And I pre-washed my Delicious clip-in extensions last night, so they're still pretty damp. Usually it'll take a full dray if you're gonna air dry them, but I'm gonna round brush them and blow dry my hair at the same time. Are you guys ready? So I always like to work my way from the bottom and to the top. So I am going to take my first section, I'm going to clamp my hair, and I'm going to use one out of my 3 clip-in pieces. This is the thing I love about our Delish Crown clip-in, is you don't need to back comb, and the clips are so secure that it's not going to fall out when I round brush my hair. It's amazing. So I always bring the hair forward because this is what you guys will be doing. So I'm going to take my brush, and the golden rule is that your section should be as wide as your brush. So I take the hair and I'm going to pull it forward, and you can see how I'm using the nozzle to just hover over the brush. And I'm pulling. But as I'm using my brush, if I don't give it enough tension, then I'm going to get it knotted and caught in my own hair. So the trick is really getting good tension on your brush and your hair. So I'm going to pull that forward, and I'm hovering it. Kind of put my hair rested on the nozzle. And then I'm slowly giving it tension and I'm rolling it up. And I'm just going to take that air. And really pull it forward. So everything I'm doing is towards the mirror. And if I want, I can leave it. I've given it tension. I can leave it if I want to give it a little bit more of a curl or a bend. To let it cool, and then I will release the hair. Again, I'm going to bring it towards the mirror. I'm giving it good tension. So, and you're gonna continue up, working your way up. I'm gonna kind of put this in a little fast mode so I don't bore you guys. And then when I get to the front and the top, I will slow it down. So now I'm just gonna show you how to create volume in your hair. So what you want to do is you want to kind of grab an inch section. You don't want it to be wider than your brush. And I know this part is always the scariest. So what I'm doing is I'm combing this crown piece towards the mirror. And I'm gonna make sure that my ends are nice and tight, a lot of tension on the brush, and I'm pulling it towards the mirror. Kind of leave that in the hair. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this front area where it would be the bang, and I'm going to roll it under like a giant roller. Make sure I get all those little hairs, and I'm just going to place it so it's sitting right on my forehead. Now I'm going to release this. This way, this creates a little bit of volume in the front. And creating this little piece is going to create a little volume in the back. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to kind of roll that piece up with my fingers. So it's almost like a giant pin curl. And then what I can do is I can just take a clip, and then I'm going to kind of clip it in there so that way I get some set volume. This is completely optional for you guys, but this is for somebody who wants to create a little bit of top volume. So now that I've kind of shaped my bangs, now I'm gonna go into doing my sides. I'm gonna take that little section, clip it all back. I am going to grab my single piece. Lightly brush it out with my brush. I'm pulling it towards the mirror. I'm just rolling it up, covering my blow dryer. You never want your nozzle or your dryer to sit directly on the hair, because that's what causes the hair to burn. So I'm just slightly rolling it up. I'm pretty close, but I'm not that close. Now, if you want to create a lot of volume on the sides, you can turn your brush handle the other way, because this hair is still pretty warm from the dryer. So I am just going to pull and give it some tension, and I'm going to let it sit for a few seconds while I get my next section. And I'm just going to take some of that moisture out, because we just want this one to sit in for a while, so you can see how it gives it a little bit of a curl. So I'm going to take that brush again. So that way you get that nice round brush look with your clips. And if any of the clips feel a little loose, because we don't need to back comb them, so you can always readjust them because it is a lot of pulling on the hair. Now I just took out that top piece so you can see how it's giving me some volume, some shape. So now I'm gonna finish blow drying the hair in fast mode. So I am really pulling it towards the mirror. I can let it sit if you don't feel comfortable letting it sit in your hair or set in your hair. Don't worry, because a lot of times what happens is those little hairs underneath get caught in the round brush. This way it creates maximum volume. So, and I'd like to kind of, because the hair is, my hair now on the top is 90% dry, I can just really kind of poke it and give it really good tension. But I'm always trying to pull it towards the mirror. And remember, we kind of preset this little piece so that way you have a lot of volume in here already. So here, just to kind of revamp that volume, I'm just gonna grab this whole section here, and this can be a little bit risky for you guys. And I am going to pull it nice and tight like a Velcro roller. Because this piece has already been dry, I'm trying to give it a little bit more definition. So I'm pulling it towards the mirror and rolling it. And then we are going to let that cool for a little bit. And I can take it out of the brush and just let it cool. Then I can drop the hair so you can see how much volume that creates, because when you kind of pull against your root, you're creating a little bit of volume. Now I want to give my front, especially my long bangs, a little bit more definition, so I am going to use a smaller round brush. And I'm going to really grab all those hairs, collect them in, and then I'm going to roll them up because the hair is already dry. I am just adding a little bit of heat, and I'm going to make sure that it doesn't go up like this, that it sits on the forehead. So you can see it's sitting kind of flat here, and it's sitting right on the forehead. That is because I want my bangs to kind of sweep to the side. I wanted to create a little bit of volume for them without creating too much volume. And then I am going to run my fingers through my hair. And if you do have like curlier or wavy hair and it still feels kind of a little fuzzy for you, the simplest trick, and I show all my clients and they're so surprised because we all have a little bit of our own natural oils in our hair. So sometimes the hair needs to really set and cool. So what you could do is just take your hair again, divide it in half, kind of comb it out with your fingers. And then what I like to do is I'll twist it backwards. So you can see how I'm twisting it backwards away from the face. Grab all that hair together, really comb it out with my fingers. And I'm going to twist it backward. So I'm kind of setting and I am relaxing the cuticle. So you can see how just by doing that, I've completely kind of smoothed out my hair without having to overload my hair in serums. I mean, serums are great, but I've been a hairdresser for a long time and a lot of people do overkill with the serum, which can actually dampen, you know, sometimes too much of a good thing is not a good thing. So I find just kind of going over your hair with your own hands, the natural oils, it just kind of relaxes and settles the hair. And there you guys have it, how to round brush your hair with clip-in extensions or without clip-in extensions. Get up and go. So remember to make sure that your hair is 90% or at least 80% dry prior to straightening. It will make your life a lot easier and cut down your blow dry time in half. And plus you get that great tension. All right guys, I hope this helps. Ciao.